Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. Welcome to episode 3. Our vehicle for today, as you can see, is the Mclaren 720. This is such a beautiful car. Mclaren definitely came back with the P1 after they've been out of the automotive business for a long time. Their last entry before that was the F1, iconic supercar. But honestly, this is my favorite one in their current lineup right now. The 720 is such a beautiful car, and it's super fast. We're going to take it from factory fresh, drive it, whip it, customize it, and then you're going to get to see my design as well. Yeah, you can't tell me the McLaren 720 isn't one of the sexiest cars in their current lineup. That's why I picked it for episode 3. You already know. As you could tell, this is my design of the McLaren 720 here. I did a lot of cool stuff to make this one look unique. As you can see near the tailpipes on the rear end, I painted those surrounds orange along with the roof line and the vents on the hood, just to kind of give it that unique look. I also made the hood carbon fiber and threw some white accents on there as well. I actually kept the stock metallic purple color. As you can see right now, it gives it a nice shade in different lighting. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and take this one for a drive. Thank you for making it this far in the video. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of my design, what your dream car is. I got a ton of stuff coming your way. Huge shout out to Microsoft, Take 10 Studios, and Playground Games for making the best driving game out right now. I definitely can't wait till Horizon 5 comes out. And as you can see there, we got the music credit, Bomb Music. Check the info below.